guys, today I wanted to talk about some smart tools with you guys. I was sent this for review purpose by T3 and Glossy Box. They did a box where they gave away some of these to some of their subscribers. So I wanted to do a full in-depth review and also show you guys how these function. So the first one that we're gonna get into is the Flatiron, and these are pretty pricey, but some hair tools, like if you want something that is good quality, that's gonna last, sometimes you have to invest into tools, and I don't mind investing into some tools. Like for example, I have a blow dryer that I spent like over $200 on, and I've literally had it for 19 years. So sometimes it's a good investment, because in the long run you're going to use them for a very very long time. So this is called the T3 Rapid Heat IQ and Heat ID. What's really cool about this is that it literally makes a heat style number for your hair type. And what I mean by that is that the length of your hair, like the thickness of your hair, if it's chemically treated, you put all of this programmed into the Flatiron itself, and it will come up with a heat number perfect for your type of hair. So I thought that was super cool. And what happens is that here on the handle, it has different settings right there. I will show you guys a close-up, hopefully you guys can see that. But literally you put in your texture, your length, and if it's a color treated, and then you can do a refresh mode where you can put, like if someone else is going to use it, you can put refresh and select their options as well to have their perfect heat ID. This is just such a cool idea and technology, so that way you are selecting something that's just enough heat for your hair. At the same time that I'm going to be talking about this, I will be showing a video here of me actually using it, so you can actually see once I put my heat ID how it works, how it flat irons. The really cool thing also with this flat iron is that the edges of this are curled, like curved. So you could actually like do curls with this, you could do flips in your hair with this if you wanted to, and they all like come out very beautifully. So I really enjoyed that. I am more into the full flat, like full sleek hair, so that's what I did today, but you could definitely use that. And they do have an Instagram, which I will leave down below, or you can check their website as well, and they do have other videos available as well if you're interested in any of those. So it does have 9 heat settings, and it does have a smart microchip, so it does retain your information. So like let's say you're the only one who's going to use this, it will retain it, so you don't have to keep putting in all of those settings each time you use it. So the T3 has a Sync heater, so it heats up super fast. I was super surprised once I had I put my settings in. You press down the button and it heats probably in, I want to say like less than 30 seconds or so. I was really surprised at how fast it heats up to the settings that I needed to, and it was ready to go. So that's basically it. It does have an ion generator, so that helps with like your hair being nice and soft. It also has like something like a little Velcro to keep the cord nice and wrapped up as well, which is a small detail, but I actually really enjoy that detail. And the instructions that come with this are amazing as well, because it's very detailed and really helpful. And they do have available other different kind of irons, like heating irons. This is just their smart like IQ one, if you're interested in my opinion on it. So I really do feel like it's worth the money. I know that if you sign up on their website, you do get a 15% off. And from time to time, they are available like on QVC and Ulta, so you could be able to use coupons or find good offers on those as well. So real quick, I wanted to also talk about the Curl ID. I will try to have a video of me using it around here as well. This one is like the Flatiron, where it is the Heat IQ and Heat ID as well. Like the other one, you put in all the settings with texture, color treatment, or chemical treatment, and that way it will help your hair and know which settings to do with your hair. So I thought that that was really cool of it. You could do manual mode if you wanted to with this one, so you could like manually put everything in if you wanted to. And the tip of the curling iron is cool, so you can hold it, and I actually can use this almost like a wand too, because sometimes I know people don't like these. They do have wands available if I'm not mistaken, and they do have clip irons like this, so they have a good variation depending on what you like. This was just the one that they sent me. I actually really like the one without a clip more, but this one was really nice as well. And even so, I feel like you could still use it as a wand if you wanted to as well. Little details on here are rose gold, just really cute, just likewise with the flat iron, so just cute aesthetically. And like I said, they do have this little Velcro that keeps your plug all nice and neat to store away. So this is something that I really enjoyed. I feel like hair tools are something that are more of an investment, especially blow dryers and flat irons. Those two are like must-haves for me that I do invest into because I do use them a lot. So I definitely recommend these. I was surprised at how great of a quality. I was shocked with the ability to put all those details into a smart tool like this and get the benefits of it. So I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Have you tried any of the T3 line? What is your favorite, or is it something that you're looking into? I would love to answer any questions if you guys have them down below. So I will try to have as much information about these products down below for you guys as well, just for extra information and links and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that red button, and my social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.